Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So weekend with the Quran. Today I'm going to be doing Suratul Ankabut, ayahs number 28 to 35. And these ayahs are about the story of Prophet Lut alayhi salam. So let's get started. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. So ayah number 28 is Walutan is qala liqaumihi innakum lata'tun al-fahisha ma sabakakum biha min ahadin min al-alamin. So it means that, and remember when Lut alayhi salam, he rebuked men of his people, that he said to them that you certainly commit a shameful deed that no man has ever done before. So no one has done this before. The next ayah is ayah number 29. أئنكم لتأتون الرجال وتقطعون السبيل وتأتون في ناديكم المنكر فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا ائتنا بعذاب الله إن كنت من الصادقين. So he said to his people that you lust after other men, abuse the travelers, and practice immorality openly in your gatherings. His people's only response was to say mockingly that bring Allah's punishment upon us if what you say is true. So they were so stubborn in their practices that they were not afraid of anything, and they said that bring the punishment if what you say is true. So the next ayah is ayah number 30. Qala Rabbin Sunni alal Qawmil Mufsidin. So Prophet Lut alayhi salam prayed to Allah that my Lord help me against the people of corruption. So it doesn't mean that he immediately prayed, like he for a long period of time he kept on calling his people towards Allah, stopping them from their evil act, but they did not listen. So then he prayed to Allah. Then after that, ayah number 31, Walamma ja'at rusuluna Ibrahim bil bushra qalu inna muhliku ahli hazihil karyati inna ahlaha kanu zalimin. So then came the angels, and okay, here they are. So when our messenger angels came to Ibrahim alayhi salam with good news of the birth of Ishaq, and we know that Prophet Ibrahim and his wife Sarah, they did not have a child until a very old age, and in that age they were given the good news of Ishaq alayhi salam. So they said that we are going to destroy, the angels said that we are going to destroy the people of this city of Sodom, for its people have persisted in wrongdoing. So they are not stopping that. Then that wrongdoing. So next ayah is ayah number 32. قال إن فيها لوطا قالوا نحن أعلم بما فيها لننجينه وأهله إلا امرأته كانت من الغابرين. So Ibrahim alayhi salam said, but there is Lut there. So they responded, the angels responded that we know best who is there. We will certainly save him and his family except his wife, who will be one of the doomed. So his wife, the wife of Lut alayhi salam, was not with him. She was with the nation. Then the next ayah is ayat number 33. وَلَمَّا أَنْ جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا لُوطًا سِيءَ بِهِمْ وَضَاقَ بِهِمْ ذَرْعًا وَقَالُوا لَا تَخَفْ وَلَا تَحْزَنْ إِنَّا مُنَجُّوكَ وَأَهْلَكَ إِلَّا امْرَأَتَكَ كَانَتْ مِنَ الْغَابِرِينَ. So ayat number 33 is, and when our messenger angels came to Lut, he was distressed and worried by their arrival. They reassured him that do not fear, and nor grieve, we will surely deliver you and your family except your wife who is among the doomed. So since the angels came in the form of handsome men, Lut was worried for their dignity and safety of the guests among his people, not knowing that they were actually angels. So the next ayah is ayah number 34. And okay, inna munziluna ala ahli hazihil karyati ridzam minas samai bima kanu yafsukun. It means that we are certainly bringing down a punishment from the heaven upon the people of this city for their rebelliousness. So because they are rebellious people, they have not been listening, so finally it's time for their punishment. The last ayah for today is ayah number 35. وَلَقَدْ تَرَكْنَا مِنْهَا آيَةً بَيِّنَةً لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ. So and we did leave some of its ruins, meaning the ruins of that city, as a clear lesson for people of understanding. So whoever wants to understand what happened to the previous nation, the ruins of this nation are there for them to take lesson. So these were the ayahs for today, and inshallah tomorrow we will continue further. That's all for today. Fi amanallah.